This is the homework video solution for homework quiz 7.4. Now we have an a that's not equal to 1, so we would take the product of those. So we were looking for something that has a product of 90 and a sum of 19. Okay, so factors of 90. Alright, so we're talking about 90 times 1, 45 times 2, 9 times 10, 3 times 30, and let's see. Alright, you also have 5 and 18, and 6 and 15. Right, which one adds up to 19? That would be those two. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this as 3m squared plus 9m plus 10m plus 30. So we divvy it up and we have 3m is in common. I can divide both of those by 3m and I would get m plus 3. Next one, they both have, I can divide each one by 10. We would get m plus 3. So we have m plus 3 in common. I would factor that out and it's times what's left, 3m plus 10. And there's your pieces. Alright. Going to the next one. Same situation, we're looking for something that has a product of 6 and a sum of 5. So we have 6 times 1 and we have 3 times 2. 6 times 1, that adds up to 7 if you add them up. 3 and 2 work. So we'll rewrite this as 3x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 2. So again, remember, these two middle pieces are replacing the middle term. So now I can divvy that up. And we have a 3x in common, which gives us a x plus 1. If I divide 3x by 3x, over here I can take out a positive 2, and we get an x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 in common, times what's left. I factored out, so it's times what's left. And that is the result. Next one, 9 times 24. So hang on a second. Alright, that is 216. So a product of 216 and a sum of negative 58. So we're going to have to work on this a little bit here. So 216 times 1, and I'm going to have to write these down and alright, we have quite a few. I'm going to go through this here. We've got 108 times 2, 54 times 4, 27 times 8, 24 times 9, and there's some more, but I'm going to look at this. I want negative 58 when I put them together. Well, these can all be positive or they can all be negative, because negative times negative is positive. So I'm going to look at this combination. So if I had negative 54 and negative 8, it works. So I'm going to take that information and write 9p squared minus 54p minus 4p plus 24. Break it down, and we get 9 into 54 is 6, so I can take out 9p and get p minus 6. Here I can take out a negative 4 and get p minus 6. So p minus 6 is in common. I factor that out, and it's times what's left, 9p minus 4. There's your 9p, and there's your 4. And this ends the solution video for lesson 7.4.